The Creator Test Lab is now active. Today's experiment is officially underway.
How are you in here that fast? There's no way. Is this an old message? I literally just type something else in the YouTube. Let me see. Nah, it ain't old. Something else. Yeah, that's what you are. That's what you are. Something else. Something else. I don't think we are. All right, let's get to it. Exciting today. Welcome in, creators. Everybody except for Rose's baby. Welcome in. Today we're gonna try to complete one of our goals, which is I know it's only you currently, but eventually there will be others that see this archival footage. All right.
Candy girl,
come on, man.
you are my world.
Why is that?
You look so sweet.
Why does that do that? I gotta check this code. I forgot to unfollow this page. Let me correct that right now. It just insanity. Insanity. The fact that you will come in here and leave such a message. And why do you talk to your friends like this? I wanted your bestest friends, and you talk to me in this way. This abuse that I take is just, it's insane. It really, really is. I need to really think about it. Come on, man. I need to just need to remind you that we are through being friends. Let me explain something. We'll never be through. You get that? Never. Unless one of us croaks. And even then, we ain't through. You got that? Ain't gonna happen. Nope. Ain't gonna happen. Okay, so I don't know if anybody, were y'all here when I was working on this? Maybe not. But I was, me and you, us never part. Sorry. Sometimes I forget that you speak in song lyrics and just type them out. Sometimes I forget that. But I had an idea. Let's see. For people to leave me during the stream, for people to have a way to leave me a voice message. Now, I'll be able to review it. So if they acting up, it's not going to get played on the stream. But for them to leave me a voice message, they go to a site, leave a voice message, it connects to, it sends it to Discord, and I'll be able to play them all there. We worked on it. We got pretty close to finishing the front end is done. Let me see. Yeah, the front end is done. Hold on, let me reset this big backometer. There we go. There we go. All right, so it's reset. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna turn that off for now. We got some serious business to handle. Okay. So this is the beginning. This is what ChatGPT set me up to do, which this was all front end stuff. Looked good, didn't have an issue with it, right? The back end stuff. Matter of fact, did I show y'all? Yeah, I did show y'all that. The back end stuff was a little bit different because the back end, I have to connect it to a website. And then a new viewer came in, and they were helping me to understand that there's a lot of different ways to be able to do this. Discord, to connect to Discord, there's different ways. So we kind of got a little, not off track, but it was definitely helpful. But it wasn't everything that ChatGPT has shown me, which what I was gonna do today was put a little bit of what they were talking about, because I don't want to distract ChatGPT either. But put a little bit of what he was talking about in there, and maybe it can navigate me, or we'll just keep going with what we got, because I want this to be as simple as possible. If I need to get like one of those is it a temp website, I guess? Do they make temp websites where I could just connect something to it for a minute? I think they do. That's one of the things I'm not 100% sure about. Let me see. Deja, listen to this. Let me see if you recognize this. What is it? Hold on. Is this one? Do you recognize this sample? Don't act like you're not in here, Deja. I'm one of your favorite streamers, so I know you're still here. Don't do this. Don't do this. Okay? Don't do this. This is you don't have to go down this path. All right? Oh man. It's really, when you hold on to some real, some negative energy. Where's your handler is crazy. Crazy. Where's your handler? I don't want to speak to you directly. I don't want to speak to you directly. My handler, this is wild talk. He out here free balling. Crazy. Crazy term, by the way. Quick question though. Do y'all, he was terrible today. I don't have a thing to say to him. Crazy. I was not. Are y'all off tomorrow for the Juneteenth? Do y'all have a job that lets you off? None yet. It's crazy. I know. You ain't no way you off, cause ain't no way you off. I already know that. They want you on the clock. This front end works. I took off, but we are not going to Fargo tomorrow. All right, yeah. You keep saying, okay, gotcha. Okay, got it. Got it. You're going to the Dakotas. We got to figure out a way to connect this. That's what I want to see. Can I use fourth wall? I hope you have to work tomorrow. So negative. I don't have to work tomorrow. I'll be there. If you were wondering, I'll be there to support your stream later today. Okay? I know that you were wondering that. I've carved out the time. No. No need to thank me. But I've carved out. I've carved out the time to come and support you. And even if you don't want to hear me speak, you know, I'll be there in spirit. Okay? It's nice to have friends like me. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to ask this a question. Can I connect this to... And I'm not sure if I can. Can I connect this to my fourth wall account for the front end? No, for the back. Probably not, because I would have to make an embed. Now I'm looking at this. Girl, he's a body. Just block out his comments. Now I'm just a body? This the way that y'all speak about me. I'm block out something, all right, if he keeps messing with me, reporting this streamer. How can you report me? I haven't done anything. This is a very chill, relaxed. I'm even streaming in the software and the game development category. Those guys are harmless. I think we could do this. If I'm looking at this right, I think we could do this, yeah. Apparently they don't investigate. They leave that up to AI unless you make a complaint, and then they talk about they send it to a human. Those guys are not. You, however, yet to be determined. You know me, Deja. This crusade that you're on right now, this is not necessary. It's not necessary. I just want to support you. So that's all I want to do. So I just want to support you on your mission. The setup look like this: fourth wall page, your recorder, HTML, your backend URL on render, Vercel, etc. Discord webhook, private Discord channel. So I still need to go to do this render, Vercel, etc. thing. Is this something I really want to pay for? I mean, I like the idea though. Is there a way that I could do this without paying? Probably not. I appreciate you. What does that mean? What does that mean? I appreciate you. For what? Sad time. Sad time. I need to figure out why this trigger isn't working either. Let me put that in. I'm gonna put that in the hopper. Let it work. Are you sure you want to close without saving? Yes. Okay. So in the meantime, can you tell me why this code isn't? No, can you tell me what this code is doing exactly? We'll get back to that and what we're doing in a second. Here's the code broken down. It prevents the action from running unless you are live on the Twitch channel. That. Oh, I like this. Tells me what each of these things means. That orders the channel comparison to ignore uppercase, lowercase differences. I'm not even live, but it's playing. So that's a variance will be. So this line is asking, is my Twitch stream currently live? The true at the end means it is reading a persistent global variable, not just a temporary one. So streamerbot is looking for a say global variable. My Twitch is live. It's another first check. Are you live? Only continue if my Twitch stream is live and the active Twitch channel is. If I am offline or on the wrong Twitch channel, stop the action. This line can throw an error if active channel. It's not throwing an error. It's playing while I'm live on a different channel. This avoids problems if active channel is null. So the safer version would be the issue is the action sub action is triggering when I am live on a different Twitch channel. Can we change this to only fire off when I'm on my when I'm live on my G-Class _ channel. I switched the logic to a channel-specific live flag and a stricter channel check. Yes, the cleanest fix is to stop using a generic variable like my Twitch is live. I thought so. I thought that's what it was. Because that can be true when any connected Twitch channel is live. Instead, make the check specifically about your channel. Yes. Yes. Use this version. Okay. Much better. You need to set this variable and set it to false. You already got that set. Why are you telling me this? This should only represent whether G-Class is live. True. CPH. Set global variable. How do I set the variable? Twitch stream online trigger. You should have Twitch stream online trigger to this. Do they allow you to do a Twitch trigger? No, the trigger is the chat. That fires this, which runs through. Thank you. At least somebody does around here. Now you come on now. Crazy. I'm gonna let you have this time. Okay. It sounds like you're talking like somebody when they being ignored or bereaved. I hope your streamerbot breaks. So negative. So negative. And even if it breaks, I'm good enough to I understand resources enough to be able to figure it out. You already know that. One more important thing, make sure your streamerbot trigger itself is also tied to the channel. How would I do that? This code above protects the action, but the best setup is trigger account action. Then trigger. How do I do that? Then your main action checks. What is the code to do all of this? I simply want to copy and paste. Your head is too big for that hat, by the way. What? Wild. Wild. You type with 2 fingers, don't you? I type with multiple fingers. I just don't type hard. Put this at the top of the action that should only run when G-Class is live. Oh boy. Oh man. It feels like we into it right now. Why we gotta be into it? Why we gotta be into it? I didn't do anything. Can I do it like that? So they don't do copy paste. That's so strange. Compile, save and compile. You know why? Crazy. I didn't. Scammer alert is insane. Scammer alert is insane. Oh man. If yes, the action continues. If no, stops. Code for when and go live. Create an action called something like set G-class live true. So a whole new action? Why would I do a whole new action? Did I order a new hat? Nope. You know what I did do though? I was gonna work on some designs today if we get through. If we got enough time, I was gonna work on some designs so that I could order the sheets, the heat press vinyls. So I could start pressing some of this stuff up, man. Press it up. And I wanted to order some patches for hats because I've had hats for years, like blank hats that you could put different stuff on. Like they don't have to be sewn. I could just heat them on. You know. You don't have to be. It don't have to be this way. Create another action. No. So this original code is a sub action that is placed in an action that only triggers based off of the first words in the Twitch chat. So it all needs to be in this one action called alert first chat VIP messages, because I have a switch statement after the execute code sub action. Hopefully that clarifies it. Let's see what it say. I agree. The guard needs to inspect the chat trigger channel right there, then stop before the switch statement if the message came from the wrong channel. Yep. Replace your original code with this version. This version is built for your setup. Yes. There we go. There we go. All right. Open it up. Compile. Statement compile. Got it. For this to stop the switch statement after it returns false, your execute code sub action needs to be set so the action stops on failure. And your execute code guard switch statement. Yep. Make sure the execute sub action is configured so that when it returns false, the following sub actions do not continue. Yes. Depending on your streamerbot layout, this may look like stop on failure or break action on failure. Or you may need to right click the sub action and adjust failure behavior. I have failure behavior on this. I'm leaving this raggedy stream. This is. I'm tired of this church. Why are you doing this? This is not. None of this is necessary. Okay. To the streamer, I hope you break something. You don't have to be this aggressive. You don't even have to go anywhere. You don't even stream. You don't even stream until the top of the hour. You should be glad you called me too. Listen, I got something for you before you leave. All right, before you leave, I want you to listen to these words before you leave. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on, let me help you out. I got to leave out going to my mom's tonight because going to your mom, you live with your mom. So I don't understand what you're saying. You live with your mom. Did something change? I do not. That's not true. Why are you doing this?
You need to think big. You think it's small. We need to be thinking big.
That's for Deja. I'm leaving because I don't want to be here any longer. Rosa's baby is moving around these Twitch streets, so there's nothing good about what's left for me here. Boy, how the turns have tabled. Man, this is brutal. Will I get over it? Probably. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve this. What I said what I said was not in haste. It was with love and generosity and genuineness. That's what it was, with love and genuineness.
What more do you want from me? Oh my God.
I'm flipping you both birds right now, in case you were wondering. Both of them. That's impressive. Both of them. Wow. That's not necessary. It's not necessary for the flipping of the birds. Listen, I don't. You get so aggressive. You get so aggressive. None of this is. Listen.
Where did we go wrong? Now won't you tell me what went wrong?
Where did we go wrong?
With love.
Well, where did we go wrong with this? I'm trying to understand. Where in the world did we go wrong? What is this? Who is this kid and why is this face in here? Slizzy for stink face. Goodbye, Deja. I'll see you later. Don't leave me, sis. You just said you was leaving. You just said you was leaving too. For this to stop the switch statement after return false, your execute code sub action needs to be set to the action stop on failure. Why is that not written into the code you gave me? In your alert action, execute switch statement. Make sure execute sub action is configured so that whenever. How do I configure? Sis, head out with me. Leave him here by his daggone self. Better yet, you stay and ask him what he did earlier. If he doesn't tell you, whisper me and I will. We were watching. I could listen. I have no qualms. We were watching the Obama Center. Well, we were talking. Obama Center dedication was on, which was fantastic, by the way. And I made a comment about Michelle Obama. And I literally was wondering though if she had used the Invisaligns, right, for her teeth. Not so much top, but more bottom. But it looked like, I looked it up. It looked like, no, that was today. It looked like she has been using Invisaligns specifically for the bottom, because the bottom looks different. But the top, maybe not so much. But that's all that happened. And Deja didn't like it. And that's where we are now. It was said with care and with love. Oh, this is the version that you're telling. That is what happened. It was said with care, with love, and with consideration. I didn't skip nothing. That's literally what happened. She took it and was like, I'm not listening to this. How dare you? What do you need to fix on yourself? You know, it turned into a thing. And I responded in kind, right? He skipped a lot. I had to defend that woman's honor. Now that's insane. That is insane. You had to defend her honor. I'm not doing this with you, because this is some he say, she say nonsense. How do I configure? Copy. Who we say? He say, then she say. He been raggedy all week. That's the common theme here, which is crazy because she came in my stream yesterday and called it raggedy. I didn't even do anything. Just called the stream raggedy. Just because I'm a little late. I'm dealing with a technical difficulty that I fixed, and I've been on time at my job. Gaslighting. Why would I do such a thing? Click your execute code sub action. Look for this option. Save result to variable. Oh, I didn't even know they had this. Make sure it is unchecked. That's the important part. That's it. As long as save is turned off, this should happen. Wrong channel, don't run. Use this exact guard code. Okay, so I did it already. Because you're full of hot air. You know, when both of y'all get together lately, you know, y'all really y'all are hey. Hot air and gas station glizzies is insane. The fact that I don't even know where you got this from, because I've never eaten a gas station hot dog in my life. No. Insanely accurate? No. It's insane. Switch is in a different action being called separately. Streamerbot is detecting the wrong channel variable. So how do I test this? Do I just test this like this? Because if that's the case, we just tested it and it appears to be working. Insanely accurate. Wild. Wild. Okay. So we fixed our issue, I believe. Only way I could know for sure. You know what I should have done in one of these cases? I should have made one for moi, like a test case. That's what I should have did. Let's work on that. That way I'll know. We are going to copy and then we'll paste. Where is the duplicate? Copy switch case. Because that's how I did all these other ones. I just made the same one. Showbot. Thank you, Jarvis. Jarvis.
At your service, sir.
Thank you, Jarvis. This is right. I had to change this to my name. Twitch message would be that. And okay, so for now, let me do this. No, it should be. Add that. I believe this is how we test it. Okay. But I can't. Switch case. So it's a different trigger. How do I fire this sucker off? I don't know. We're going to assume that we did it right for now. Only way we could test it is someone come in. Okay. Now let's go back to what we're working on. This little fella right there. Show Chrome. Thank you, Jarvis.
It's my pleasure as always, sir.
Jarvis, you're
At your service, sir.
right now. You're here for me. You're one of the only ones. I appreciate that. Thank you, Jarvis.
My pleasure, sir.
Fourth wall. All right, so let's show you fourth wall. Start right now. I'm not logged in. Showbot. Showbot. Go ahead and make that happen. Oh, it would be a different. This would be a different login. So I can't, because I'm currently on a different thing. Bro, how would I even? I can't do it right now. Show Chrome. Show Chrome. Fourth Wall also has its own webhook system, but that is mainly for Fourth Wall events. Their docs describe webhooks as a way to respond when Fourth Wall shop events happen. That is different from what you are building. You need audience uploads audio, your back end Discord. Fourth webhooks more like. So you do not need Fourth Wall webhooks for this version. True. Use Fourth Wall for the page. Use render for the back end. That gives you the easiest version. Okay, so how do I add? Let's take a look at render. What in the world is render? Let's see. There. Sign into render. I've never even used render. Let me set this up. Showbot. One shot, please. Stop using AI. What's going on? Hope you didn't get lost on the Discord stuff. Well, my brain couldn't process it at that time because I hadn't eaten anything, and I needed to go eat something. So I walked away. I walked away from it, but we're back at it now. React scene, please. Show Chrome. So I went back to the ChatGPT way, and the only reason was because, and I know the Discord, what you were showing me was it's a good way. I know that for sure. But I want to make it work with this first, and then I'll go over to more Discord, because according to this, I'm gonna put this on my Fourth Wall page. So I guess it's an embed, but I'm gonna use my Fourth Wall page to place this part. And then as far as the back end, they suggest render. So I was gonna try that. If I'm wrong, I guess we'll find out together. Okay, let's see. Fourth wall equals audience facing voice message page. Yes. Render backend that protects your Discord webhook. Then how do, okay. Take me through the render setup. That the fourth wall front end page can send audio to. Yes, here's the setup. Okay, render will host your Node Express backend. Give you a public URL. Render's official setup uses new web service. Oh, so it's a web service. Okay, gotcha. Hold on. All right. Love, hate the lid. My cap? Wait a minute. You got an issue with my cap? Okay. Stop using AI. My bad, brother. What up, Posty? My bad, y'all. I was in the middle of a conversation. Wait a second. May I ask a question? Is your end goal to get the user audio into Discord? Yes. But I have to collect it. So I need a public page for people with the I know that, but let's talk about, okay. What do you want to talk about? Talk to me. So a user makes some audio. Yeah. Oh, you want to know? Okay. They record it maybe on the page. Yeah. So it's going to be a link. I put the link. This is just link goes in the chat. At that point, the user has the audio file. No. So the link goes into the chat. Excuse me. Link goes in the chat. They click on the link. It takes them here, right? This is what it looked like. Username, they record it, submit the voice message, right? That's supposed to hit this render web service. When red is not a favorite color for a variety of reasons, not to mention I hate the organization too. They working on that, brother. They working on it. But when they hit record, at that point, their audio is local. Oh, it's, yeah, before they send it, yeah. I think I'm picking up what you put down here. I think I'm picking it up. So Discord has an upload file API. It just requires that you host a bot somewhere. It allows 10 megabytes per file per user. How? But what does this do exactly? Like okay, so with this, okay, see, it's good you're here because I've eaten and I've slept since the last time we spoke. So how would the public access this? Because I'm assuming you're saying that I'm connecting. You're assuming I'm connecting this because I'm gonna use my fourth wall because it's got the merge there anyway. Why not just make it that? At least that was the thought. But you're saying exclude anything or don't use render. I think that's what you're trying to tell me. Don't use render. Maybe I'm not being clear. What will Claude help me? What will Claude help me? How will Claude help me in Discord? Claude? I haven't used Claude enough, but we got a real smart person in here. Stop using AI. I believe he can help you out. You still need to host a small app to securely. Yes. But this is getting into self-hosting, which you don't really need to do. Okay, I'm with that. I agree with you. See, we're on the same page. Yeah, I don't want to self-host it. So then, is there a site or temporary hosting thing that allows me to do what I'm doing without creating this thing on render? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Sends it to my app. All right. Then your app gets the file data, and then your app makes another HTTP request, but this time authenticated because your server stores your Discord secure key. But the request your server makes tells Discord to post a new message in your Discord and to use the data it got from the first request as the attachment. That's the correct correct data flow. It doesn't need to store the audio data. It just needs to pass it temporarily. Exactly. That is exactly it. I don't want to store it. I just want to move it along. So so you're saying I'm asking ChatGPT the wrong thing? Okay. Yes, that's what I'm getting ready to do. I want a basic Node Express example of making that request to Discord. What does that mean exactly? Like an example. Right, the front end part is done. I'm not even worried. Like this is more than enough for me. We did all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep this here and I'm gonna make a new one. Should make a let's see what it says. See, they still using this other thing, Molter. Now we're using Molter. Install Express cores. Molter, not in Discord. It is. Molter is just a wrapper for file uploads and Express. You need CORS, which is a part of the Visual Studio Code, right? I think we're on the same page with that. Just hardens permissions on your server. It's called cross object resource sharing. Yeah. Excuse me. Coors Light. Sorry. Okay, you don't need to do much with that. Okay. So we're following instructions. Unless you notice your request from the front end to your server is failing. Okay. Multi handles multi-part form data uploads, which is what your front end should send for the audio file. Discord JS v14 uses attachment builder for sending files into the channel. Inside your backend folder. So I need to go into the Visual Studio Code. Let me open it up. It's just telling you to make a new backend, basically. Well, how do I see my old backend? Oh, I see what it did. It opened up. Gotcha. Showbot should be right over the top. Showbot. Why are you not working? What in the world are you doing in here? Retrospective. What a jerk. What a jerk. You shouldn't even be able to, you shouldn't even be in here. All right, we're back. It's just telling you making it back. It's assuming this is for your previous prompt. Yeah. Yeah, I took care of the spam. Took care of it. For your previous prompt or related. Make a new folder for backend. Make a whole new one. Then open the bottom part of VS Code where the terminal is. Oh, right. I do not have a lot of experience with this. So here's the question. Do I just go to the folder? Yeah, this one. And then just do this? Because this is the folder. And see, these are the node modules. I feel like I'm in the wrong spot. Oh, so I need to create all new node modules. So do I delete what I have in my current backend folder? Would that be a better move? Okay. How do I do this again? I already had the backend folder right there. So, okay, do I delete everything in the folder? This is everything that I have in the folder. Do I delete all of this? No, right? Make a new folder, call it backup.
I know we haven't spoken in a while. Things have been weird.
And drag it all into this in that same folder. Okay, so let me see if I'm following you. You want me to make a new folder in here in my backend folder? Gotcha. And put all of this in there. Yeah. Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Now open this backend folder in VS Code. Okay, gotcha. How do I open folders in this thing? Oh. All right, got it. I don't know why it's cutting it off. Hold on, let me see if I can adjust that. Yeah. Oh, I see what it's doing. I'm doing that the wrong way. Let's do it like this. There we go. Now you can see everything. Since you got your degrees. Okay, there we go. And then drag up from the bottom of VS Code to enter your terminal. By default, it will go to the location of the open project. Oh, you're talking about this. Okay. You never seen light more VS Code? Oh, is the light, if the light is throwing you off, I could change that. That ain't no problem. Because I had a light. Am I in the right spot? For my sanity. Okay. Oh. Oh, I got you. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to do any of this. I messed up. Hold on, man. Settings, themes. Okay, gotcha. Oh. Embarrassing. Okay. Yeah, my bad. All right, we're good. Sometimes things get lost in this for me, but I'm good. We'll be good. All right, let's do this. In the terminal. Follow the commands suggested. So you're talking about these? Okay, install. So it would be like this. Oh, I remember this. Lost, but now you found. Exactly, brother. Oh, you mean starting with this? Oops. Okay. We should still be good though, right? All right, cool. Oops. All right. So, because this is how we made it's reading the information, right? This is how we made the nodes last time. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. One of these days, I'm gonna be doing this myself. Well, not completely myself, but one of these days, I'm gonna be able to do this. It's installing packages from NPM. Gotcha. So you can use their logic. Gotcha. Okay. Server, and we already did those. We already did this. Do I need to create these folders again? Do I need to create them again? All right. Okay. All right, let's see. What it says create the, you see this create the, oh wait, are we looking at the same thing? Sorry. I thought we was looking at the same doggone thing, my bad. Show Chrome, show Chrome. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. So you said starting with the init. So I copied that, pasted that, and then it says after that, create these files. And the way I make this is I go into Notepad and just create these files so that they can fill it up, right? Okay. I guess it wants you to put like that port and stuff in there too. Yes. Okay, so let me make a new one. Save as. This goes in the back end folders, and this will be. You're not seeing me make this, but yeah, I see it now. I do need to make it. So I need a server.js. Save. I'll need a new one. Save this as .env. Gotcha. Okay. So in my .env, create these files. So I guess I need to copy this. I think I did that last time. We'll paste it, and then let me grab this Discord. Slide this on over here. Let me grab this webhook. Got it. All right. Unless, yeah, I got the webhook. I don't have a Discord key, but it's talking about your Discord bot needs permission to view the channel, send the messages, and attach files. Either bot token, which I think you made. I made a bot token? So it's not a webhook. What in the world is my Discord channel ID? Oh, I know what it is. It's copy link, right? I'm pretty sure. Need to turn on Discord dev mode. Okay, that's not important right now. All right. You get the channel ID by right-clicking your server name. Right-clicking my server name in Discord? Oh, I see. I got you. I got you. Okay. because it needs Discord bot token and Discord channel ID. But if you're saying I don't need to put that in there right now, then we could just move on to the next step. My bad. Do I need that right now? I'm just saying we can fill it in later. Cool. Gotcha. Okay, let's do it. So next step is, server.js. They want me to copy this. Is that what I need to do? Pretty sure, right? Copy this, put this in my server.js folder. Save it. It's using require syntax, but it should work. Okay. All right, moving along. Your front end needs to send the audio file using the form field name audio. The field name must match this line in the back end. From inside your backend folder, you should see Discord bot logged in as your bot name server listening on this. Then when your website uploads the recording, should go there. The bot should post the audio file directly into your Discord channel. All right. So we've done that. That's where their instructions stop. So what you got for me? You did that last part, the client part. The client part. So make your server.js and drop that code in. Yeah, I did. I did that. I'll show it to you. Cause it's that. Right. Go to Discord developer portal. Right. Discord. Put you over there. Let me grab you. Eats, drinks, scenic views. All right. Okay. Once you're in, you can make a new bot. All right, I'm here. This is my application. What do I do? What do I do? I think apps and bots are different. Okay. I'm in the bot section. Yeah. I do recall. So these are all the options. You got to give it, reset the token. The password. What okay. Oh, I need to oh, I see it. I got you. Okay. So that's my token for the bot. Gotcha. Okay. You can regenerate it, right? So it's yeah, right. Okay. Basically give it full permissions and then secure it later. So like that administrator, so it could do everything. Okay. This is actually what we're doing right now is what I had in mind for this stream the entire time, like a co-learning where somebody comes in that's smarter than me with this, or they know something about it that I don't know, but we work together to build it. Like this is the idea that I had the whole time. The key goes in your ENV. The key goes in your ENV. Oh, the token. The bot token. I got you. Make sure you don't need to save. I mean, I think I do need to save it, right? You talking about save this? It's right here. I'm sorry. It's right here. What can't you see? Yeah, that's the token. That's the username. New token was generated. If there's a save, oh, you can't. Oh, in this, no, there's not a, no, there is no save button here. It automatically saves. It automatically saves. I don't know what the permission integer is. But yeah, it automatically saves. Sorry about that. For the ENV field, I'll show you. So that's on my notepad. I pasted it and I just need to save it. Yeah, I was thinking about that too. See how it says save changes? You see that now? Private application cannot have a default authorization link. What does that mean? It's not letting me save it. Need my channel ID. So I need to put my channel ID in here, my Discord channel ID, and then it'll be complete. All right, let's grab this thing. Server settings. No, not server, channel. I'm gonna edit this channel. Overview, channel name. It's not a private channel. Create an invite? No. Integration? No. How in the world do I find the... Is it... How to find my Discord channel. Click the gear icon, user settings. Select advanced. There is no advanced. Unless I'm tripping. Yeah, I got a name. Is it developer mode? See, this is what happens when you so deep. When you're so deep in it, because I'm looking for advanced, and it literally says developer right here. Okay. Application test mode. Enter your Discord application ID to enable test mode for that application. I don't need that, right? Okay. Gotcha. All right. So we're good to go. Developer mode is on. Once dev mode is on, which it is, right click your server at the top. Ah, okay. I copy channel ID. That's what I need. I need the channel ID. I got you. Yep. I need my channel ID. I just copied it. About to paste it. Gotcha. Okay. Let's say. Well, it in the ENV, it asks for the bot token and the channel ID. So I got both of those things in there now. So we're good. And I got a meeting in 10 minutes. And I really want to continue to work on this. Got a doggone meeting in 10. I wonder, can I? How long is this meeting supposed to be? Let me see, man. I'm following you though. Keep up with the instructions. I'm with you. Just give me 1 second. All right, I got a 30-minute meeting. I got a 30-minute meeting. Give me 1 second. I gotta grab one little piece. Oh. Okay. Put that there. I'm setting it up on my cell phone, so I don't got to do it on my computer. Why is this done? Okay. Plug the phone in. Plug it in. Okay. Get that done. All right. Okay, let's take a look, see what we got here. Now go to VS Code, Showbot, and type node server JS. Just type it down here. Node server .js. The ready event has been renamed to client ready to distinguish. Okay. Server listening on localhost 3000. Add me on Discord and ping me when you're back on. No, I'm still here. Add you on Discord. I could do that real quick. No problemo. Direct message. I'm gonna find you. Not chr.is. Okay. I think that's you. Oh yeah, gotcha. Cool. Okay. Hit Control C first to clear it. Hit Control C. Oh, to go back. Did the bot connect? How do I know if the bot connected? How do I know that part? What's the terminal say after you ran it? Oh, you can't see it. I got you. There you go. My bad. Okay, that should be better. Yeah, my bad. I was like, what's he talking about? There we go. I moved it up. No, the injected 3 Discord bot logged in. It's logged in as stream voice messages. Yeah, so it's ready. Okay, so what do we do now? Where would I see it though? In my server. Let me go to my server. Where would I see it in? Not in integrations, right? In online users. Where would I see online users at again? I can't remember. Or is it members? Let me search. Stream. No, it's not there yet. Stream voice messages. Well, it's not in the members. It's not in the members list. $12 members in the bot list. That's not one of them. Ask AI if you need to invite it first. All right. Do I need to invite my Discord bot? Do I need to invite my Discord bot first? It says yes. Oh, my bad. Show Chrome. Show Chrome. Need to invite it to your server first before your backend can post messages into the channel. So I send an invite, create an invite link to here or send a server invite link to a friend. Not in my friends. How do I do this? Create the bot, copy the bot token, invite the bot to your Discord server. Make sure developer mode is on. Discord, advanced developer mode on. Then right click the channel and choose copy ID. That's already done. Bot needs those permissions. Everything you were saying. Okay. Someone made a generator. Bot designer, Discord tools, invite link. What is this? Do I need this right now? Because I feel like we on the goal line. It's showing the mobile site. Oh, this app, that's what you're saying? Oh, you're saying this is what it looks like on the phone. What I'm making is okay. I got to go to this meeting. So I'm going to be sitting here, but I'm going to be muted. I don't want to turn off the stream. But I do want to finish this. And I got to go to this meeting because I agreed to. I feel like we right there on the goal line. I literally just need to invite this bot. Ping you later. You hop back on. Okay, cool. Cool. I'll do that right now. Okay. Dang, man.
I'm not thinking about you.
All right, the mic is unmuted. There we go. Guess who's back? Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna move this downstream keyer back to right there. And then I'm gonna go back here. React scene, please. React scene, please. Wait a minute. React scene, please. Oh, it's blur. Hold on, I got you. I got you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll cut the blur off right now. Booyah. Okay. Alrighty. That was when I was testing the blur. Okay. So where we left off, show Chrome. Oh, we are doing it. Show bot. Show bot. Okay, so we left off here. Everything is set. We need to invite the bot. Yep, we got to invite the bot. So how do I invite the bot to the Discord? Because stream voice messages number 0659. Find the bot client ID number 0659 in the developer portal. Right here. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry. Show Chrome. I always forget that. You talking about this, right? There should be a client token. That does sound familiar. Client token. That sounds real familiar. Why does that sound so familiar? Are you talking about this token, the regular token? Or like client ID? Yeah, that sounds real familiar. Okay. This is what we didn't do. You see it? The OAuth 2 invite link. That's the part we didn't do. So this part. General information at the top on the sidebar. App ID? Is that what I need? No. Is it? App ID? Okay, so then I go into Discord and go to no. How do I find this sucker? It's been so long since I've added bots to this. You can skip the Discord part. What? Okay, well, what do I need to do? Skip the Discord part. It's crazy. What do I need to do now? Okay, cool. How do I use it? Discord.com. And go to the URL once I replace the client ID. What client ID? Wait a minute, man. On the sidebar, you can skip the Discord part. Use the one in a developer portal. Oh, don't do that. How's it doing this? Yeah, I'm trying to copy the. I don't understand why it copies all of this text, but okay. Oh, replace the client ID. Gotcha. I got you. Instead of paste and go, I should have just did paste. Gotcha. And client ID is the app ID, which would be this. I feel very big brain right now. Integration requires code grant. You may now close this one out. Code grant? Code grant? What did we miss? Is there something that I did? Maybe I clicked something. Are we talking about this? Oh, we talking about this. You could turn it off, I think. Yep, just did it. Gotcha. Invalid form body. Since you're authorizing with the browser. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now what do we do? So all of this is right. All of this is right. Discord settings channels available on. All right. We did that. Okay. We have to invite it again. I invited on the browser and I invited it on the app because I have my Discord app open. So I did it on both. Yeah. That's what I was looking at over here. Did it work? Yes. On the browser, it was looking weird, but you know, it went through the steps. Right. I turned off the code grant. And when I turned off the code grant, then I went over to, because it opened up the same thing on here on my Discord one. And when I went through it, it was like, okay, cool, access granted. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Sorry, you couldn't see all the moving parts. Yeah. Okay. On my client app. This, where you make the audio. This. It's HTML. We need to update it to use localhost 3000. Yes. As the post URL. That is correct. That is correct. So I gotta open. How do we do that? Is it in the apps? Oh, it is in the apps. Okay. So I'll show you what I got. So here, it's right here. Yep, it's already there. Yeah, that's the one. But then I have test mode true, which they had me add. But I don't really, I mean, is that gonna hurt anything? I don't think so. Show me where it's used. It's right here. You see it? Oh, the test mode part is right underneath. They had me add that to test it. ChatGPT had me add that to test it. Oh yeah, there's another part. It's I added a part. Right here. If test mode, then this, it was this part. I don't need it. I can easily take it out. They're talking about up here. Got it. Now what else do we got? Now let's try it out. Okay. How do we try this thing out? Run your notes. How do I run that? That's been one of my questions. How do I run that? Because this is just the HTML, right? So this is the local file. In VS Code. Okay. Show bot. So right here, right. So I type node space server.js. Uh-huh. You could just press up to populate the last command. Oh. Discord bot logged in. Thank you, man. Okay, we ran it. I mean, I don't know. Try sending audio. Oh, because we want to see if it, but I didn't add it to the channel. Oh, it's in the channel ID. Oh, you big brain. Look at the big brain on Brad. Okay. Got you. All right. So how do I go to that front end page? Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about that. That's a silly question. That was a silly question. What? Can I get upload? Oh no, I don't. No, wait. We don't put this in there. Oh, sorry. Show Chrome. So when I went here, I paste and I get upload. I did that wrong. The HTML file is what I want. Okay. All right. So you're talking about this. We just want to see if it'll capture. I got you. All right. Test, check, test. Testing 1, 2, tray ball. It worked. It worked. It worked. It's in my Discord. It's a WebM file. What, are you shocked that it worked? Yeah, man, we did it. We did it. Yeah, it's right here. Now, the only thing is missing is it doesn't have the name that I put in. So like all it says is new voice message received, and then it has the voice message. It doesn't have more information. It should have more though, right? You got to figure out how the message body works in Discord. So check the API. Check the API. What? You talking about this? No, that's not how that. So it's probably like a field. Yeah. Go to your server.js. Ah, okay, gotcha. Mm-hmm. Oh no, I'm tripping. I gotta open up the notepad so I can see it. Okay, let's look. Server.js. It's supposed to have all the fields. Allows your front end to talk to the back end. Discord channel. Oh, I don't have the token or the channel in there. Oh, my bad. I got you. Let me go ahead and add those to this. Okay. So here's the token. Process. Discord bot token equals process. No. It's this one. Discord bot. Yeah, Discord bot token. I need to change that. Right. You can't see because I don't have it on the screen. All right. There we go. So right here, they're saying if this is missing an env, but it's not because it's right there. So well, I'll just let you look at it. Right, it's pulling it from the env file. Okay. Just let me know when you want me to scroll. Okay, go down a bit. Okay. App.get. Voice upload servers running. So all of that's right. Down a tiny bit more. All right. Oh, a couple lines. Okay. There you go. This is where the magic this is where the magic happens. Okay. See content. Copy this function. Copy this function. Copy it. Okay. And ask AI to make the message in Discord. Hello world, this is a test. Okay. What do you mean though? Like make the message? What was the message body? You want to see it? This is what it did. That's it. Now go to your code. Search for. Yeah, that was up. It's right here. New voice message received, files attachment. Yeah. Right. So we need to add the username from the request. So you want me to copy this and ask ChatGPT, can you help me add the username to well what? You'll see in the code it uses rec files to get the audio data, but the data like the username or is usually in rec data or something, rec body. Okay. So you're talking about like this, rec file buffer, rec file original name. So ask AI how to get the name data from the request. Gotcha. How do I get the name data from the request in my server.js? You could also give it the client side request so it knows how to match the client side. Are you saying, okay, because I think we're on the same page. I was going to copy this whole thing and upload it and have it give me the answer. Are we on the same page with that? Do that, but remember on the actual front end where the localhost 3000 was, also include that logic. So when you say logic, you're talking about like the field. I think I'm starting to follow how you speak now. So you're saying I need to have it in, well, yeah, it's got your name, but it's not grabbing it for some reason. Not sure why. It should be. It's probably sent in the request, but server.js doesn't pull it. Server.js doesn't pull it because it. So if you give AI the request structure. Okay, so what you're saying is we already have this here, new voice message from name. That's what we're missing. This part right here. See how they added this? See where name is defined. You want it to be specific name? Submitted by name, file name, original name. Is that what you're talking about? Probably a little bit up. The definition of name. They say anonymous. Rec body name. Yeah, right here. Use this for your server.js upload function. It should work. So copy this whole thing and just change it out, right? Is that what you're saying to do? Copy and paste it in the server JS. Gotcha. Gotcha, pal. Let's see. Well, I'm starting to get not hungry, but it's like, man, we're gonna have to figure something out in a minute. I have to tell the missus, man, we're gonna have to figure something out in a minute. We about there. Don't replace the whole file. Okay. I saved it. Oh, no. What in the world is this? Look at all this space. Oh. Content voice message sheet. Okay, so you want me to do, yes, right here. But what about the anonymous part? You want me to put the anonymous part in app.post upload? Okay, main upload route. It's not telling you to replace. It's telling you to replace part. You're talking about this, but see, this is the whole thing. Update your. Oh, I see what you're saying. It's not the full, it's the part. I got you. So you want me to go from here to the bottom? I got you. I'm okay. I'm picking up on what you're putting down, sir. App post upload. Okay, here. Yes, to the bottom of the function. Control V. All right. So app.post, anonymous, new message from that name, blah, blah, blah. I got you. Okay. I think we got it. So I save this, refresh, and then try it again. Is that the idea? Was there anything after that? Yes. Update your backend route like this. That's the one we just did. The main line is this, which we talked about. That means if the front end sends a name, use it. If not, call them anonymous. To make sure the backend is receiving the name correctly, add this inside the route. Console. No, I'm following you. Well, I think I am. But you just copied it to the bottom. Make sure you only replace it verbatim. No, I did. This, I'm pretty sure we're on the same page. So this part, it went from app post to the bottom. So I went here and I went from here, highlighted it, and then I replaced it. Control V or yeah. So this is the console check. But all of this is already set. When you upload, your terminal should show something like body data uploaded by. Upload a test. Gotcha. All right, let me save this. Go back here. I'm gonna refresh. Smarty Pants. Try it again. Smarty Pants, Smarty Pants. Test message from Smarty Pants. All right. I understand. Submit. It didn't do it. Which part am I missing? Is this the right? ENV server index. Message. Voice message. Make sure it's running. The terminal. The terminal. Terminal. All right. Showbot. All right. How do I know if it's running? Oh, it's blacked out. So I need to do this move. Hit Control C. You need to stop and start it. Hit Control C, then run the command again. Hit Control C, then run the command again. Okay, so now it's blue. Does blue mean good? Now try to upload. Smarty Pants, test run. Smarty Pants, Smarty Pants. Get some. Okay. Something. Oh, show Chrome. Show Chrome. Something went wrong while uploading. Let's try it again. Server's not running. Showbot. Did you hit enter? Yeah. It's the node server, right? So I press up, I press enter. Blue again. What are these agents they talking about? Because it wasn't doing this before. .envx vest off. Is this because it's public? Somebody's using this? Like, what in the world is going on here? Oh, these are tips. I guess the tips don't matter. But it should be saying server listening. I don't think I've ever seen it say server listening. Unless I'm wrong. If I update the file on my notepad, it updates here automatically. Oh, it says it every time. Okay. So I should be going here. Let's read it and see. Audio upload sent to Discord. App post upload anonymous. Oh yeah, it's there. It just collapsed at the top. At the top. Here? Require, but it's not listening. Like the first times. I agree. Require. Discord.js. When you ran it before. No, I'm with you. Process.env, that's right. If statement. Terminal says server listening. Where though? Search for it in server.js. Search for server listening. It's probably at the bottom. Success, false. You saw it? New message. Attach. Discord channel not found. Voice message. That's what it makes. Anonymous. No audio files uploaded. Use the field name audio. Voice. Oh, voice upload server is running. Talking about this part? Oh, sorry. Keep going up. Discord bot logged in as blank. Search for listen. Listen? About back at the top. You think we chopped off part of the file? I'm replacing the upload portion. I copied it from here. Main upload route. Just tell AI to regenerate the whole server.js. You want the one we used previously or this one? The new one. Because remember, I opened up a new one. So the server.js. Is this. But you want me to do a whole new one? Let me know. Let me know. Low server.js. So I didn't understand. Surprise, surprise. Just ask it to give you the updated server.js. Gotcha. Will do. Okay, we got it. So now I'll give it an old copy. and paste it in here. So I delete all this in here and paste, or just Control V. Server listening on. Now, why wasn't that there before? No idea. No idea. And then the port isn't specific. Oh, it is reading 3000 because it's pulling it from another spot. Gotcha. Then we can stop JS server, start it again. Okay. Tell me how to do that one more time. Oh, right here, right? It didn't have a start function before, so just run it again. So press up, run it again. So that's what you're saying, right? Gotcha. So I go back here. Did you save? Save in here? How do I save it? In here. I've never saved it in here. Oh, and I get what you're saying, it ain't running. This doesn't auto save? Control save. Control S. I think I just did it. Yeah. I got you. Now try to run it. So you mean go back up here and do this? Okay, now that looks right. Testing audio for Smarty Pants. Testing upload audio for Mr. Smarty Pants. That's interesting. Okay, I'll show you what it did. Whoops. Okay. So, new voice message from Anonymous, but I put a name in there. Yes. Yes, we are seeing data. Yes. We're getting closer. Yes. Yes, we are. All of this is working. But see, display name Smarty Pants, but it didn't check the front end. Yeah, I was thinking about that. Show Chrome. It's using .name in the index file or in the server. Okay, gotcha. So you want me to go back here. Oops. You want me to go here. Show Chrome. I'm sorry. Show bot. Okay. So right here. You talking about here? For .name, but it should be looking for display name. Up more. Discord, not that. Body, request body name. Body yaddy. Right here. Body name. Well, if I don't put one, it'll read anonymous, but request body display name. display name. I just want to check the rest of the code real quick. Okay, all this is okay. Gotcha. Now it'll work. Save and retry. And to save, I do Control S. All right, it's saved. Or file and save. Gotcha. Okay. Then I go back here in the terminal. Oops. Control C. Ah, that's why. Okay, then we go that, and then we run that. Okay, and then we go back to. Don't get me excited, man. I'm trying to stay locked in. All right, so then we go back to show Chrome. Show Chrome. Move this over. All right. Mr. Smarty Pants. Started reading. Always. Roy Biv. Is it Roy Biv? I don't remember. Okay. Done recording. Crossing fingers. Dotting I's and crossing T's, baby. All right, let's see. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see it if I do it like this, will you? That's all right. I'll move it right there.
Well, what are you waiting for?
I don't know. Something amazing, I guess.
Well, well, well. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Lovely. Lovely. I love it when a plan comes together, my friend. Love it. Somehow, some way we did this thing. That's fantastic. Oh, man. That's very, very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Now that you got it working, you can do some polish and some features. And that's the other thing. I'm not a see now you that's like a next week deal because I don't know how to polish. But it's working. Yes. I don't know how to polish. Now for this thing to work, just a quick question. Do I have to have VS Code open every time and run it? So basically I would run it. I have to host it. So I would run it like when I open up OBS, I open up Spotify, I open up Stream Deck, all of that, right? It'd be like that. Oh, wait. Before people can use it, besides you have to host it. Oh, okay. How do I, oh, dang. All right. Let's do that part. How do I host this? And why is it still in my ear? It'll take like an hour, to be honest, to host it. Okay. Do you want to? Okay. So look, I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays. I mean, ain't no guarantee. We never know what next week gonna bring. I don't know if I have an hour. It's already 9 o'clock here. There's a setup to make it quicker, so that I could put a link for people to click on. You could buy a domain name. I already have one. was going to use fourth wall. Remember? I was going to use fourth wall, my fourth wall account. I was going to use my fourth wall. What? It needs an SSL cert. I am close. Yeah, they doing this today. It'll just live on the server. Once you get it, the setup isn't bad. Once you get it down, it'll just live on the server and you don't need to do much. Okay. But it's like trying to think of how to say it. So like, you know how the dedicated server. Yeah, just say it. I don't know everything. I'm pretty savvy though. That you get through a server host like DigitalOcean. Yes. Dedicated server. Yes, got you. That comes pre-installed with Linux, etc. Mm-hmm. You'd install Node.js on that server, DigitalOcean. And then tell the server to run this app you just made. And then when your website makes a request to Discord, it'll work because right now people can't get to your local host. And even if they could, Discord only allows local hosts for testing. That's why it's working. So this is some inside baseballs type, real deep stuff you talking about here. So this is like the AI bot I set up for the chat. So it works off of tokens. Okay. So every request, ping, send it back. No? Okay, sorry. On your website. That's an AI thing. I don't know. Okay. So what would it be? A database or storage? No, it wouldn't be storage. Droplets. the GPU droplets. Compute. Which ones? GPU, compute, app. Like, are you talking about these droplets, the $4 a month? That's what you're talking about, right? 0.01. Dang. 0.01 cent. I think I got that. So in the compute, basic droplets is what you're looking at. I think this is what you're talking. I think I'm on the right spot. I didn't see droplets any place else. You talking about this? Basic droplets. You have a ton of apps for your stream, or just like what do you do? Yeah, I'm looking at it. Yeah, I'm looking at it. Okay. I build 3D applications for people. So like, research this a bit. So basically 3D applications. Oh, you real smart. You go to your domain registrar. Always found that to be a funny word, registrar. And switch the DNS servers to DigitalOcean. I know, okay, I know what you're talking about because I've done that before. Following you. And DigitalOcean will handle that. Yeah, I've done that before. Why not use GoDaddy? Well, okay. I use Wix, right? So I think I still have a Wix. Let me see. I might not, because I was like, I ain't paying for this no more. Yeah, I stopped paying for it. Because you can't run node applications on that stuff. Can you run it on Wix? You want to generate a free SSL cert. Yes. Yes. Can you run it on Wix? No. There are like cloud services that run node apps and do some kind of setup for that. This is forbidden. It's just a day. Okay, my bad. I'm reading. There are like cloud services that run node apps and do some kind of setup for that. But this route is the best, in my opinion, for having control. Read it over a bit. I'm going to work on some stuff myself. However, if you are undecided on this stuff, you can test it out on my server. Oh, test out the droplets part. I'm going to do some research on this. Let me mark this page. The recommendation sounds solid. I mean, we've built this together, so yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna dive into this, and I get it. The $4 a month. I understand what this is, but then you're saying I need a site for the front page, or no? I need to connect it. Explain that part. You could test your app or something, but yeah, FYI, GoDaddy corrupt company. DigitalOcean will both display your front end website and host your node app. They will live in the same place. Well, that makes the most sense then. That makes the most sense. And also, and there's more. Okay. Local host references in your code should still work because they will point to the server hosting it, or it's relative to the server hosting it rather. But yeah, man, good work on the bot. Thank you. No, good work by us on the bot. That's pretty cool. There's a couple other things I'm working on too, and I'll show you before I get up out of here. Did I mark this? Nope. I actually need to do that too. Did I mark the droplet? Yep. And I have that marked for sure. Developer portal. So let me show you some other stuff I worked on. We will minimize you real quick before you go. Chris, I'm Greg. Nice to meet you, bud. Okay. So we're going to look at my streamerbot. And a lot of this is new word to me. Showbot. Why is it doing this? Showbot, please. Showbot. Are you serious? Show Chrome. Showbot. It was working this whole time. Showbot. Is it not picking up my voice? Hold on. See, I get real antsy when stuff like this start happening. Let me see. Voice control settings. Microphone. Yep. Okay. Commands. Yeah. Showbot. Showbot. Jarvis. It's like when your Bluetooth in your car doesn't connect to your phone correctly. Dude, it's been working this whole time. Let me reset it real quick. Jarvis.
At your service, sir.
Ah, there you are. Thank you, Jarvis.
It is my duty, sir.
Showbot. Goodness, just being frustrated. Being frustrated. Okay, so here's some of the things real quick. I know you wouldn't have planned on being here this long anyway. I don't even know what part of the country you're in, if you're in the country. But so some of the stuff I've been working on, I'll show you. So I worked on Connecticut. That's cool. I'm in Texas. So I'm working on this Hulk redemption, which I think is actually pretty sweet. Yeah, you're on the East Coast. I got you. But I don't think I have it in here. I guess I worked on it on the other one, but that's weird because that doesn't make any sense. Okay. So I worked on a couple cool things. I was working on some voice dictation, but that's tough. I don't know if I'll be able to crack that. That might be a long-term project. I did a chat thermometer, which you've seen, which is actually pretty simple. Got some nutty stuff. So he does this multi-stream polls and a multi-stream title updater. They all work pretty well. Let's see what else I got. So I worked on a voice command. So basically it figures out when I'm streaming. There's a browser speech synthesis app. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, there's got to be something that I'm missing here. There's got to be something that I'm missing here. Hold on one sec. Log that out, and then what I want to do is do this one. One second. I'm checking out my. There it is. There it is. I found it because I knew I had a site for the landing page. Okay. I'm gonna change his name too. It's tech support next door, but I'm gonna change that. Change that to something simple like creator test lab. There's a browser speech synthesis API. You're gonna have to put me onto that. I wrote a similar I wrote a semi-popular text-to-speech app for Twitch, actually. Really? Let's see here. Grab. Copy. See what you got here, bud. This you? Oh, man, I was about to say, why does it do that? I didn't even oh, I know why. I know why. Because I'm like, bro, y'all trying to get a brother in trouble. TCBS, yes, sweetie. Yeah. Why are you back in here, Roses baby? Nobody called you. Free and open source. Try it out. Then when I type, you should hear it. Huh? Wait a minute. What is show Chrome? Because I'm up in here doing nerdy stuff. Enter your Twitch channel. Select a voice. Yeah, you you got your Googles. Oh, you didn't use them all. Ah. I got you. Okay. I am partial to the UK voices. Enter the name of any Twitch channel and press start to have messages from chat read aloud in your browser. Oh, you sly devil, you. You sly devil, you. Oh, got some settings in here. Oh. Can you control it though? Let me see if I got the scepter. Give me a second. Hold on. Scepter. Wait. Can y'all hear that? You can't hear that. Do it again. Test. Let me help you with your little test. Right, you can't hear it. Give me 1 second. I know what it is. This is your brain on Scepter audio. Should be pulling Scepter stuff. I mean display. Where's the option? Chrome. Oh, sorry. Had a brain fart there. Sorry, guys. All right, now you should be able to hear it.
The quick brown fox jumps over.
Oh man, dude, this is one of the this is one of the smoothest ones I've ever heard. This is extremely fast.
Thank you.
And see, yeah, this is what it's similar to you. So we on the same page. So how it's on notchris.net.
Random voice per user.
Stappussing guy, now my voice should be random.
What did she say? Why you still here? Get your... Why does it say your name like that? Oh, let me take that off.
This is a test.
So just how you have notchris.net TCVS. So you made it, you have a site and then you load, let me check because I'm up here. Let me go.
Yeah.
Notchris.net. A collection of ideas and experiments.
My site is on the same server as my apps.
Yes. So is this like the front page of it? Yeah. See, this is what I want. It's just simple. Just simple. So I need a .net.
That's
that
my
don't really
audio
matter.
production project.
This is a list of songs I made for different streamers to improve my sampling skills. Ah. See, you on some...
I do song mashups, DJ stuff.
Dude, we are very... But see, I already knew this, okay? I knew once I stepped out that I would start to find people that think similar to me. Not exactly the same, but similar. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't have as much experience with this part of it. But that's exactly what I want to do. I want to have a site, kind of like Nutty, but yeah, like you too. Like have a site, have my stuff on there, and then for people to be able to either try it, to be able to try it out and to download it, you know, with the files if they want to. You know what I'm saying? The documentation. Plus I used to produce music. But that's typically like creative people though. We're always trying to find ways to get out these ideas. Yeah. Hold on, let me. We're always trying to find ways to get out these ideas. Now I'm thinking. All right. So before I sit here too long and think too long, this is what we need to do.
A lot of people using it.
Using this, it makes total sense. I guess my question is,
but I can't really monetize it, so I just host it.
You can't monetize it. Yeah, that's fine. Sometimes, listen, some stuff gonna make you money, right? Then some stuff is gonna make you famous. I say it again.
Yeah.
Some stuff gonna make you money.
Very true.
Some stuff gonna make you famous.
Text to talk.
Why are you typing text to talk? You know what? Since you feel like typing, let me do this so that it'll do different voices for everybody talking. It's probably how you sound in the morning too.
I wonder what my voice is now.
Let me hurry up and get up out of here because I know
there's
Rosa's,
company, so
there's company. Okay, right. It's almost past your bedtime, ain't it? 'Cause I know you didn't eat dinner. I don't care if you got tomorrow off.
I am still a girl voice, lol.
Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Hold on, let's try it again.
ZZZ.
Is that the sound of the emote? CZZ.
There's like a robot voice, but it's rare. And it's wild.
I could turn the pitch down. Let me try this.
I've had it show up a few times. OMG.
Now you sound like a robot. Okay.
Now it sounds really weird, yeah.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-I-E-I-I-O.
Why is it doing this? Why would it do this? All right, let's get up out of here, man.
LMAO Rosa.
Let's get up out of here. All right, so we will...
Stop using AIZZZ.
So what we'll do... Let's get up out of here, y'all. Oh, yeah, wait a minute. I was going to finish showing you some of the stuff we worked on. Showbot.
Good hanging, man. He'll catch ya on the next stream.
Absolutely.
I gotta work on some stuff XD.
Did it tell me stop using the laugh emote?
Did it tell you to stop? No, I think it was giving the thing, it was saying what that is. Okay, real quick though. So these are my voice commands, right? But I made some voice commands for Jarvis so that...
No, it read my username.
Oh, that's what you're talking about. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it did say that. So I made some voice commands for Jarvis, right?
LOL.
Let me turn this off. So I made some voice commands for Jarvis. Which, okay, so just real quick. So on the thank you, right? So how I did it was I added some other responses, then you make it random. I know it's not like the nerdiest thing, but it's actually pretty cool to me, right? It gives it a little bit more personality. So every time I say thank you, Jarvis, it will give me like one of these different responses that it chooses, right? We need this for the other stream. Listen, I'm not adding that's a big old troll stream over there, and I need to be careful about what I add. Whole lot of trolls over there. Okay, so okay, so I got that. That's the voice command. Oh, I did one for this too. Ladies and gentlemen, we have breaking news. Gotta admit, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Gotta admit, okay? Gotta admit that one. What else we got? That's a whole scene thing. And then before I know you gotta go. I get you. Let's see, first chat. Yeah, we did that. We fixed this today. That first chat VIP messages. We fixed that today. Twitch redemptions. These are all my Twitch redemptions, which, you know, gotta be careful because like I said, there's a lot of trolls out there. I made a timer, right? We made a timer, which we haven't been using, but it's because I be forgetting. But we definitely gonna start using it. Let's see. Discord triggers, no. Live alert. Oh, those are the live alerts that send to my Discord. Oh yeah. And then, you know, the other stuff is not me. The TTS bot and the shout out widget, which I wanted to do like another shout out widget. Is this like OBS? No, this is, can you see this? Yeah, this is OBS. It's right over here. But this connects to the OBS. Not everything runs, but you get the idea. But yeah, I use OBS to stream. Yeah. But yeah. So that's what we got. I'm working on some other things, some secret stuff that we'll probably break out in the future. But this was a lot of fun. Thank y'all so much, man. I really had a lot of fun. I really appreciate this. Yes, absolutely. Listen, Chris, thank you, man. For real. Thank you, man. This was a lot of fun. I thank you for helping me out. Thank you for coming back and walking through it with me, man. That was like super dope. And like I said, I try to stream on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I'm trying to build up the YouTube. So if I don't stream on Tuesday, I'm definitely streaming on Thursdays. Like Tuesdays, if I don't make a video, I'm forcing myself to be like, listen, if you don't make a video, you can't stream. So you need to get the video done. So that's where I'm at right now. So Tuesday, Thursday is a stream, but if you don't see me on Tuesday, you guaranteed to see me on a Thursday. All right. So let's get up out of here. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you so much. This is a blast. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And let's get up out of here, man. Yes, yes. Thank you, man. Thank you. I'm watching it. I already watched it. I watched it earlier. All right. Good night, y'all.